I've always believed in the culture side and the soft side, but this is the first time for me to look at it from a scientific and professional point of view, where we can put numbers and actions to achieve a purpose and we can measure that.
Too often, CX is on their own island. There's a lot of qualitative research, and there's a lot of service design, and the rest of the organization is thinking, I'm not sure how this is solving my business challenge.
I think we will reach somewhere where we set the standard of how service providers should really think of the profitability and the purpose of doing business. And I think they go both together.
Exciting times, because you just finished writing your book. It's written from two perspectives, a CEO perspective and CX leader perspective.
I already had pretty quickly in my head that I wanted to write it from both perspectives, because I think it's impossible to have successful transformation without the leadership involved. And I've seen and experienced how quickly a CEO can make a positive impact or also a negative impact. So the structure of the book is exactly the same for the CEO as the CX transformation lead. But then the content of each chapter is completely written from the perspective of the CEO. So that's a very condensed, 1 hour read, while all the details of the methodology are in the CX transformation lead part.
All right, and the book is all about the 3-layered model. Can you tell us a little bit more about that model before we dive into that rabbit hole?
I was thinking, it should not be about methodologies. It should be about what problem am I solving? And so yes, all the methodologies are in there, but then I was thinking I have this different perspective on CX transformation. So what is my unique perspective? Because there are a lot of books about CX. And which problems am I solving? And that's when I was on the plane to Barcelona. And again, writing, I like to write and sketch a lot. I drew the model and I instantly felt this is it, right? This is what I want to say. The 3 layers, right? Just briefly. The first layer is ignite successful transformation. And that igniting, right? That's about energy. And that's about speaking the language. So that's why I felt, yes, that's the perfect way to phrase it, because all the methodologies together will ignite the organization.
Yeah.
And then it's also about scaling impactful transformation. How do you make sure that CX is not standalone, but you're integrating it in everything you're doing in the organization, which is one of the flaws in many transformation programs. And then finally, it's inspiring meaningful transformation, right? That's where purpose comes in, one of the 3 pillars. That's where behaviors come in and reflection come in. So for me, those 3 together really felt like, hey, this is, let's say, the Zanna vision of human-centric CX transformation.
Yeah, all the 25 plus years of experience in one model.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.